iOS 18.4 Beta 2. Apple just dropped this update for developers, and you know I had to dive in and see what's new. This beta gives us a sneak peek at some cool features Apple's been cooking up. We're talking visual intelligence, AI doing its thing in the App Store, and some quality of life improvements. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about why beta software even exists. It's basically Apple giving developers a head start to test their apps with the newest software. This way, when the public version drops, everything should hopefully work smoothly. Plus, it gives us techies a chance to see what's coming down the pipeline. One of the coolest things in iOS 18.4 Beta 2 is visual intelligence. This is Apple's fancy way of saying your phone is about to get even smarter at understanding what it sees through the camera. Imagine pointing your phone at a landmark and getting instant information about it, or having your phone read you the menu at a restaurant. They're also adding AI-generated summaries to the App Store. No more skimming through tons of reviews. This AI will give you a quick rundown of what an app is all about. Now, this AI stuff is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to be a game changer. Imagine being able to control your phone with just your eyes. That's the kind of future Apple's hinting at with visual intelligence. And AI-generated summaries could make finding new apps way easier. Beyond the flashy stuff, Apple's also made some nice tweaks to existing features. Priority notifications are getting an upgrade, making it easier to manage all the pings and dings we get throughout the day. Safari is getting some under-the-hood improvements, which should make browsing even smoother. And for all you smart home fans, iOS 18.4 Beta 2 adds better support for robot vacuums. These might seem like small updates, but they show that Apple's paying attention to the little details that make a big difference in how we use our devices every day. Of course, it wouldn't be an MKBHD video without talking about some of the early feedback. Some users are a little worried about privacy with all this AI integration. Others are saying the new features are a little buggy. But hey, that's what betas are for, right? Overall, iOS 18.4 Beta 2 is shaping up to be a pretty sweet update. It's got some really innovative features that could change the way we interact with our iPhones. I'm excited to see how these features develop as we get closer to the public release. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my full review when iOS 18.4 officially drops. Peace out.